Hello everyone, this video is regarding about the remote control. So how to buy the remote, how to select your compatible remote. So it's very easy. um, when you see any remote on the portal, on any online portal marketplace, just match the image with your existing remote. So for the remote to work, it has to be exactly same function to function and preferably button to button. So then only it's going to work fine with your system, be it AC, be it TV, anything. Okay, any remote you want to buy. Even if you don't get your matching remote on the portal, you don't have to find it. Just send your old remote picture at our WhatsApp number. This is our WhatsApp number. Just send your old remote picture at this number. The team will revert you with the compatible remote link. Okay. Suppose if you don't have your old remote picture, then kindly share the remote picture from your manual book. There will be AC manual book, so you send the picture from that. If you don't have any reference for your remote, then kindly contact the company people from where you bought that system, as actually without having old remote reference, we won't be able to help you well. Now what happens when you receive the remote and even if doesn't work? So what you need to do, these are the preliminary actions we will be guiding you. So it's same, you match it, it's perfect, yet it's not working. Then you can first of all try changing the batteries. Kindly replace it with fresh new batteries preferably, because batteries in many cases might be the issue. These were the existing batteries in the remote. Okay, you can, and only this remote has backlight. No other remote has backlight. It's not provided by the manufacturer. So for the AC remote there is no backlight. Okay, whichever has, so we have mentioned it. So what you can do, this is a testing machine that we check our remote on it. See, remote is working. Even then remote doesn't work. The third step you can do is a reset switch. So just push that reset switch, the remote will be resetted, and then you can start operating it. Okay, so in many cases it's on the front side, in other cases it's on the back side. Okay, in this case it's inside the remote when you open the flap. So it's not necessary every remote must have the reset switch, and many models have. I'm talking about the AC remote, so this has it. Okay, this remote. Now another thing what you can do, see, this remote is working now. Also make sure not a single button is pushed inside. Let's say if any button is pushed, so it will light will keep on blinking, or something where there is no light, you won't be able to know. First you try changing the batteries. Even if it doesn't work, then you can just check, get all the buttons outside. Okay, so that not even a single button is pushed. These are the actions you can take. Airtel, Tata Sky, Dish TV, so these can be paired with your TV remote, so you can use just one remote instead of two. So pairing is possible, but you need to do the pairing. So we have put the steps also. We have put the link for each remote. Tata Sky has its link, Airtel has its link. Okay, even if you have any issue, now suppose the remote is different, then you can go for replacement on the portal itself. Our details are already mentioned. You can see our information on the box that is provided, but if the box is not there, then there will be a sticker. Our details are provided. You can send it at our WhatsApp number, the details, and apply the replacement on the portal. Thank you so much.